In this tutorial, I'll show you how to hide groups in a Notion database so you can keep your board or grouped view clean and focused. By the end, you'll know how to hide groups you don't need without deleting any of your data. Open your Notion database and switch to the grouped view, such as a board or any database view that's grouped by a property like status or select. Click the View Options icon in the top right corner of the database, then select Group. Make sure your database is grouped by the property you want, such as status or priority. Scroll to the list of groups and locate the group you want to hide. Turn off the visibility for that group or choose to hide empty groups if that option is available. The group will disappear from the current view, but all of its items will remain in the database. Repeat the process for any other groups you don't want to see. You can return to the same settings at any time to show the groups again. If you can't find the hide option, check that you are editing the correct database view. You can also use filters to hide items with specific property values if your version of Notion doesn't support hiding groups directly. That's how to hide groups in Notion. Thanks for watching.